and our wishes go out to everybody in North Carolina. So hopefully, we were talking earlier, those cleanup efforts and everything go well, and we're all here for you guys. So
Well, it's been really great. I've covered it a little bit, but the Automotive Aftermarket Charitable Foundation, World Pack, the ASTA, and that's just a couple that I've heard of. There are a lot of organizations that are giving back to the community, but those are specifically trying to help, repair shops, because when you have this kind of damage, there's going
right,
to need to be some repairs done here on cars, and a lot of the shops
absolutely.
need repairing. So it's just bad on all fronts. We definitely appreciate the support and the prayers and the gifts, the tangible help, the volunteers that have come up to help. So it's going to be a long journey. I mean, anything like this is definitely a process, and so we understand that. But definitely appreciate your guys' support, and been really great to see the automotive industry come together and raise funds and help the industry that have been affected. It's really cool. It's like a family kind of thing. So
Sure, Braxton. There's no place I'd rather be, as I mentioned at the start of the call, is in the automotive aftermarket, and educating folks like yourself that maybe don't have as much knowledge about this community. It's tight knit. We're a big family, right?